folks, this is Anu here. Welcome to my channel. Today we will have a detailed discussion on one of nature's most powerful and destructive phenomena, cyclones. In this video, we will explore how cyclones form, the intricate structure, and the science behind these massive storms. What is a cyclone? Cyclones, also known as hurricanes or typhoons depending on their location, are large scale air masses that rotate around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. There are three main types of cyclones: tropical, extratropical, and polar. Tropical cyclones form over warm ocean waters near the equator, extratropical cyclones occur in mid latitude regions, and polar cyclones are found near the poles. Formation of a cyclone. Tropical cyclones begin their life cycle over warm ocean waters. The process starts when the sea surface temperature reaches at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit to a depth of about 50 meters or 160 feet. Warm, moist air rises from the ocean surface, creating an area of low pressure beneath. As this air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and releasing latent heat, which further warms the surrounding air. The Earth's rotation causes the rising air to spin, a phenomenon known as the Coriolis effect. In the northern hemisphere, cyclones rotate counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, they rotate clockwise. As the storm system grows, it can develop from a tropical depression to a tropical storm, and eventually, if conditions are favorable, into a full-fledged cyclone, also known as a hurricane or typhoon. Structure of a cyclone. Now, let's delve into the anatomy of a cyclone. A mature cyclone consists of several key components: the eye wall, and the rain bands. At the center of the cyclone is the eye, a calm, clear area with very low pressure. The eye can range from 20 to 40 kilometers or nearly 12 to 25 miles in diameter. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall, a ring of towering thunderstorms where the most severe weather and strongest winds occur. The eye wall is responsible for the cyclone's destructive power. Spiraling out from the eye wall are the rain bands, long, arching bands of clouds and precipitation that extend hundreds of kilometers from the center. These bands can produce heavy rain and strong winds. Airflow within a cyclone is complex. Air rises in the eye wall and rain bands, diverges at the top of the storm, and descends in the eye and outer regions, creating a self-sustaining cycle. The life cycle of a cyclone. The life cycle of a cyclone typically spans several days to weeks. It begins with the formation stage, progresses through intensification, and eventually reaches maturity. Finally, the cyclone weakens and dissipates. Various factors influence a cyclone's life cycle, including ocean temperature, wind shear, and interaction with land. Cooler waters, high wind shear, and landfall can weaken and ultimately dissipate a cyclone. Impact and preparedness. Cyclones can have devastating impacts on coastal areas, causing flooding, wind damage, and storm surges. Preparing for a cyclone involves understanding the risks, having an emergency plan, and staying informed through weather updates. Key steps for cyclone preparedness include securing your property, stocking up on emergency supplies, and knowing evacuation routes. Remember, your safety is the top priority. Conclusion. Cyclones are powerful reminders of nature's might. By understanding their formation, structure, and impacts, we can better prepare for and mitigate the effects of these formidable storms. Stay safe, stay informed, and thank you for watching. If you gained some new knowledge watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.